Hey, how's it going guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you about cloning. So last time I teach you that how you can push in your files or your codes in a remote repository. Now I will teach you how you can clone them, or you can clone from anyone else too. So uh, let's go to GitHub repos, and here you can see it's Sebastian Chaplin. He's the creator of Nuxt.js, the Vue.js framework, if you know I mean. So you need to go there, and you can click here to get the files. And yeah, for cloning this you need to go to your command line, git clone, and just copy that and paste. That's how we can sync with this the remote repository, even though we are not there. So instead of doing any one person, I just show you how you can do that. Instead we're gonna create our own. So new we're gonna name something like clap website. That's better, I guess. And then what I'm gonna do is initialize with a readme file and create a repository. Don't worry if you don't know how you can create or make readme files. The one episode course is coming out soon, so don't you worry about that. And now what we're gonna do is copy that and git clone paste. And it's gonna clone our website, yeah. And go to the file, clap website, and open in a text editor, right? So that's how it's work. And now you want to update these files and create some files. So first what we're gonna do is go inside there, grab website, and we're gonna create a new file, index.html. and what we're gonna do, put some boilerplates, our boilerplates, normal HTML boilerplates. And when we're done with that, what we need to do is go there, and you want to comment that. So git add all, or period I mean, and git commit our message added HTML file. After that, what I'm gonna do is, when we throw that, now you want to push that. So first we need to put our origin, right? But no, because we clone from the our GitHub repo, it doesn't require origin. And you can see it here, that where it's synced to. So, and you can check that where it's synced to by typing git remote and person, and you can see it's our websites, I mean our GitHub repos addressing to our GitHub reports. You can change both fetch and push, because by branching, I will gonna explain branching in the next episode on remote repositories. So now what we need to do is we need to type git push origin master. So git push origin master, and done, I guess. Done. Then and now if we go and check it here by clicking there, you can see there's one more comment, and yes, initial commit and edit a HTML file, and you can see also here. So that's how we do find that. Hope you guys understand. And in the next tutorial I'm gonna teach you about the branching or forking. So see you guys then.